Hi, I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, I'm going to do a review and assembly video for this awesome Amazon brand Rivet leather sofa. It's pretty interesting. I was pleasantly surprised, so let's get to it. Now, the first thing I want to say in the assembly is when you take it out of the packaging, you're going to say, where are the legs? Well, they're under the sofa. If you unzip this packet, if you unzip the little zipper underneath, you'll see there are 5 legs under there. And I just took advantage of the time this was open to show you the construction underneath the sofa with springs and foam. The seating is very comfortable, and I think the construction is done very well. Here's one of the 5 legs. They all have a little nylon piece tip on the end so it doesn't scratch your floor, as well as a little gripper thing that will allow you to screw the leg into the sofa and not have to worry about it coming unscrewed as perhaps you move the sofa or you change it throughout time. It's always going to stay sturdy. You won't have wobbly legs. They won't come undone unless you intentionally unscrew them. Now, the beauty of this sofa is that there are 5 legs, not just 4. There's one that goes in the center of the sofa to offer that support in the middle so you don't end up with that terrible sagging of the center of the sofa through time. That is the sign of a not so great type of sofa. This one has 5 and it's going to be great for you. Now, to flip it back over, I wish I had another person so that I would not risk bending the legs or snapping them or whatever, but I was able to do it on my own without any problems, and I think that you could do it too if you're just by yourself. I would just recommend, if there is a second person, have them help you flip the sofa back over onto its feet. Here's just a shot underneath the sofa showing the awesome support. And I really like the color of the legs too, how it coordinates with the color of the leather. Now, I wanted to show you that the seat cushions are fixed. They do not come up off of the piece, but the back cushions are removable. And they're also filled with a down and feather filling, which is in an enclosure that allows them or keeps them from sagging down and settling into the bottom of the back cushion. So they are always going to be plump and full. Now, I also wanted to show you here that the entire sofa is 100% leather. The back, the sides, the arms, the seats, everything, except for the back of the seat cushion, the back of the backrest, as well as the inside of the backrest on the back of the sofa. I wanted to show you that the quality of the stitching in this leather is superior. They really paid attention to the small details in the making of this piece of furniture. And it's 100% leather. It is a top grain leather. And if you like the smell of leather like I do, you're going to love this sofa because it smells like leather. I love it. It's a super wonderful piece. And as I said, they really looked at the detail on the construction on this piece because it's just done super well. It's high quality. I highly recommend it. And this particular color is gray, but they also have a cognac color available to order as well. So I'm 6 foot and 188 pounds, and I wanted to show you that this sofa is long enough. It's 72 inches. It's long enough for me to lay down and rest my head on the back, and I have room for my feet as well. And I also wanted to show you that there's room for a little dog to take a nap with you. The dimensions of the sofa are 72 inches wide, 38.2 inches deep, and 30.7 inches high. And if you need to rest your head on the back, just throw a little throw pillow under your neck to offer more neck support. This is a great sofa. It is the Amazon brand Rivet sofa, available online. I'll put the link in the description. I highly recommend it. It's super easy to assemble and it's very comfortable. It's the perfect small piece for your home or office. I have mine in my office. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please do subscribe and check out some of my other DIYs I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.